My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about a winklink coin, friends. What's the current price of winklink coin? What's the prices occur in the winklink coin? And in this video I'm talking about the urgent update of winklink coin, friends. So keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, so make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates, friends. First of all, we talk about the currently price of wink coin. The price is about 0.001341 USD dollar is the currently price of wink coin, friends. And if we talk about the price change, so the price change occur very best, friends. The whole changes is in positive, friends. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last 7 days, I mean last 1 week, the whole changes is in positive, friends. So now let's see the last the 1 day price prediction chart of the winklink coin, friends. As you can see here on the some places on the chart, friends, as you can see here at this point and at this point and same like that at this point, the fast hooker of winklink coin, friends, as you can see here at this point and this point and this point. So a lot of people are going to sell wink coin on these points, friends, and they take a loss, friends. So now what's the reason behind that? How we can detect the next target, and how can we decide that what is the best time to buy, sell or hold wink coin, friends? For this, first of all, you have to subscribe my channel, because I will give you a good suggestion for all of you on the basis of technical analysis. Otherwise, we can't say about the future of any cryptocurrencies. We are do a technical analysis. After that, I decide to make a video, and I will share my opinion for all of you, friends. With all of you, friends. If we talk about the prices occur in a wink coin in the last 1 day, so the price change is a positive 2.87%, and the high price of the wink coin is about 0.001379 USD dollar is the highest price of last 1 day, friends. So now a lot of people do a mistake at this time, friends, and especially in the start of new month. As you know, today is the 3rd day of a new month, friends, and the start of new month, this kind of change occur in the cryptocurrencies, falls down for a little time and after some time again jump, friends. So don't do this mistake at this point, friends. They falls for a little time, after some paise falls, they again take a jump, friends. So that's not mean that when the fast over starts in the wink coin and you're going to sell it, friends. That's not a solution, friends. You have to details, you have to collect the details, you have to study the chart analysis, friends, and after that you have to take a decision at the best time to buy, sell or hold wink coin, friends. So now at this time, my suggestions for all of you to hold your coin at this time in the last of this month, friends. What's your opinion about wink coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly, friends, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.